Hello friends, Sheila here with Homework Remodels and Tri-Light Builders, back at our job site again today. Coffee and Construction in Tempe, episode 8. We have some great progress going on today with our electrical rough-in and with our framing. It's so exciting, I can't wait to show you. So you'll see here these fireplaces, we had the openings adjusted so that they could fit our new electric units. So we had the masons out a few days ago to cut these openings to the right size, and now our framers are actually able to fill them in. We're gonna cover these stucco-covered block fireplace openings with drywall and make them a smooth finish, and then apply some tile and fireplace mantels. So they're gonna look so good. But isn't this exciting? We have all of this framing going on today. It's awesome, awesome, awesome. So all that's gonna be covered with drywall. Those niches are gonna go away, and then we're gonna add some electrical up there so you can plug in lights, plug in the TV. It's gonna be so fantastic. Look at all those electrical wires hanging from that ceiling. Electrician's out today doing some more rough-in for our can light placement in the kitchen and for our pendant light locations over the island. Oh, it's looking so good, friends. Getting all of our locations in for our appliances. These big heavy wires over here. This one's where the refrigerator is gonna be. This one's where the hood will be. And the cooktop is below it. Or the freestanding range, excuse me, is below it. Oh, this is gonna be so good. All right. So for a quick peruse around our space today, and oh, this looks so good. This is gonna be all nice and open. Thank you for joining us here at Coffee and Construction in Tempe. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.